Good evening all. Welcome to HDFC Securities live webinar on ProTerminal. Myself, Vidit Jain, and my colleague Abhishek Barjatia will take you through the new offering which we have got for you on ProTerminal. We will discuss about the features which are available on ProTerminal, and we will take you through the demo videos as well as to the live website. First of all, in order to access the ProTerminal, you have to visit our website www.hdfcsec.com. On that website, you are supposed to click on Login tab and you have to use your trading credential to log into our ITS platform. So you will enter your user ID, password and date of birth to authenticate yourself. Once you log in on the website, you can see on the right hand side there is a tab called ProTerminal. As I am having the privilege of ProTerminal, the market watch will open. The subscribers, the customers of ours who are not having the privilege, first of all they have to take the privilege, then only they can access the ProTerminal. One of the biggest advantage of ProTerminal is customized watch list. So Abhishek will take you through our customized watch list on ProTerminal platform.
As Vidit rightly said, one of the major USP of ProTerminal is the customizable watch list. You can actually set up to more than 150 attributes on the watch list as per your convenience and usage. So what I'll straight away do is go through the demo video of the watch list for a better understanding of the ProTerminal watch list for you guys.
Neil, a trader, keeps track of markets regularly to find new stock opportunities. But, even after spending hours browsing through trading platform, Neil could not spot profit-making ideas in time. Neil is fed up of using outdated trading platform offering limited access to reliable market data. Now Neil is looking for a trading platform, which can offer him a better way to keep a watch on stocks. Are you also facing the same problem? Don't worry. Our next generation intuitive trading platform offers feature-rich watch list. Let us see how user can explore watch list. It screens stocks on a wide range of parameters. Our highly customized watch list allows user to select the parameters based on his criteria. User can create his own watch list of stocks based on preferred set of parameters and keep track of it. It also offers preset watch lists for hassle-free monitoring of stocks. User can have quick glance at most active stocks, volume shockers, price gainers and losers in watch list. It offers tick-by-tick stock prices, order book details, returns, news sentiments, technical signals and corporate events. NSE Futures watch list shows contract details, price, volumes, open interest, implied volatility, long and short built-up, technical signals etc., along with option to filter contracts based on selected criteria. Similarly, Options watch list offers contract details, price, volumes, open interest, IV, delta, theta, vega, gamma etc., along with option to filter contracts based on selected criteria. User can view chart in a single click from watch list screen and analyze stock on technical indicators. Most importantly, user can place buy or sell orders directly from watch list to quickly grab any trading opportunity. Thank you.
Watch list once more for you guys. So you can see the user defined watch list. The first in the drop down, the first 5 watch lists that you can create are user defined. Those can be created by you and that are in sync with your mobile application and the empowered watch list. Apart from that, we have also given a facility of predefined watch list in which you can see NSE equity, BSE equity and other indices watch list as well. Suppose if I click on Bank Nifty, so all the Bank Nifty stocks would come up in the watch list. Apart from that, you can add, delete up to 70 parameters in the equity section. And if you don't have the futures and options available, facility available, the option won't come up. Apart from that, the watchlist also gives the facility to drag and drop the columns to change as per your convenience. You can even remove the column from the edit the column functionality. And you can add up to 30 scripts in a single watchlist, and you can create up to 5 watchlists from you. Apart from that, you can even sort the columns basis the ascending order, descending order upon a single click. Now, going forward from watchlist, I'll quickly move to the company snapshot page. Suppose I go to a company snapshot page. So the major USP of ProTerminal is you get all the information about a company in a single platform. You don't need to go to the likes of Money Control or any other portal to seek other information like the financial information or the result information about the company. You see the rates, you see the charting, you see the volume, the moving averages, the valuation, YOY growth, quality, shareholding pattern, company information, and the returns that the stock has given over a period of time in ProTerminal itself. You can see all the financial information as well on the same platform. You don't need to change your tabs and first check the information on some other platform and then come back to HDFC Securities to put the trade. Everything is available on the single platform itself. You have the option of buy and sell right up here. You can directly add the stock to your watch list from a single click here. Apart from that, you have the today's high-low, 52-week low-high information here. And you have the technical signals and broker consensus available apart from the news sentiment right on the top. You have tabs like Overview, FNO, Financials, News, Peers, Strategy, and Option Chains, which with it will explain going forward in the video. The Financials has the result information, the balance sheet, cash flow, P&L, and ratios. You have all the financial ratios also available for the company and ProTerminal itself. You don't need to go to any other platform. Sorry, I'm not telling that again and again, but that is why we have built in a feature like that, so that you don't need to go to other websites. Everything is here in ProTerminal itself.
As Abhishek rightly said, that information is very important while executing any investment decision. Either it can be through financials of the company, or it can be news which are coming through the macro or the micro data which are available in the market. So they do have an influence on the investment decision which we take. So ProTerminal is also a news aggregator where you will get all the data of macro and micro data available to you at a single click. Say for example, if we take an example, if we go to a company overview of Reliance Industry, so there is a tab called News. So all the news pertaining to Reliance Industry would be reflected over here. So we will just take you through the video on news section. So it will give you a better understanding how this can be helpful to you while taking an investment decision.
Neil, a trader, used to keep a track of financial portals and business dailies to grab opportunities in the markets. But even after spending hours on screening through tens of websites and newspapers, Neil could not figure out useful news in time. As a result, he lost many trading opportunities available in the market. Neil is very upset. He is tired of exploring tens of websites and newspapers for trading in stocks. Are you also struggling with the same problem? Don't worry, our new trading platform offers news analytics and sentiment analysis, which provides real-time market-moving news in a single place, to help you for trading profitably. News analytics separates noise from information gathered from millions of conventional and unconventional sources so that you only receive market-moving news. Let us see how you can explore news analytics and sentiment analysis in new trading platform. Trending News widget provides news updates from trusted publishers along with positive and negative sentiments. Streaming News widget provides updates on stocks from trusted Twitter handles, so that you have instant access to vital information. Corporate Announcements widget provides updates notified by companies to stock exchanges. Let us see how you can spot opportunities. Trending News widget flashed positive news updates on V-Guard Industries on June 17. V-Guard Board of Directors declared stock split on June 16 evening, which pushed company's shares higher in the next day trade. The stock split was captured by news analytics and sentiment analysis engine from exchange announcement on the same day, that is June 16, before mainstream media. which carried news update on June 17. By using news analytics and sentiment analysis engine, one could have bought the stock around 1400 rupees in opening session on June 17 and sold it few minutes later for 1430, netting a profit of 30 rupees per share. In addition, user can check news updates on currency and global markets. There are plenty of such opportunities are available every day, so don't wait, grab opportunities now. Thank you.
As you saw in the video, that news are very important while taking an investment decision. Along with the news, the impact of that news on the particular stock is equally important. So over here on ProTerminal, we do give a sentimental analysis as well. If you can view over here the sentiment, if news is been negatively going to impact the stock, a red symbol would be flashed in the first row, in the first column. Whereas if the news is neutral, it is not going to have any impact on the stock performance, then white marking would be done in the first row. Similarly, if the news is going to have a positive impact on the stock, then it will be marked in a green color. So accordingly, you can take a call. So first, the news should be available to you on a timely manner that ProTerminals provides. Second, what impact that news is going to have on the stock, that also information is provided by the ProTerminal. And along with that, from the same screen, you can place a buy and sell order. So immediately you can react to the news and you can gain from it. No need to move on various tabs and then place an order. It is a time consuming process. Whereas in ProTerminal, you can execute the order immediately by analyzing the news and then you can benefit from the same. Similarly, many of our customers do look for other brokers' recommendation as well. Say for example, a particular counter, you want to see the view of other brokers. Say for example, other brokers, some international broker or MNC broker you want to view. So what generally we do? We visit their website in order to get the details. In ProTerminal, we do provide you broker consensus as well, wherein it collates the data from various sources and provide the broker recommendation on a particular counter. We will continue our same example. Say for example, Reliance Industry, there is a tab in the overview page of the company profile. You can expand the same by clicking on this button icon and you can see the brokers recommendation, what they are saying. There are 34 brokers and analysts which are recommending to buy Reliance Industry, whereas 2 are telling that it will outperform, whereas 4 have a recommendation to hold. Now if you want to view which are these broker and analysts and their recommendation, you can click on the analyst tab and you can view the details. Say for example, Mr. Ashwani Gujral, who is one of the leading analysts in the market, is saying buy. The call was issued by him on 8th of February 2018. If you want to view the entire detail of that particular report, you can click over here and you can get that benefit. So it helps you to analyze the sentiment of the stock and what other leading players and leading analysts are recommending on that particular counter. It will help you while taking an investment decision. So it helps you to take an informed decision and benefit from your trade.
Apart from the watch list, the company financials, the sentiment analysis and recommendations of the broking houses, another key parameter that the traders look for is the charting to understand the technical patterns of the company. So we provide the state-of-the-art charting solution with ProTerminal. It is far better than any other charting offering available in the market. So first we'll quickly go through the video of the charting which is available.
Neil, a trader, don't want to spend hours on screener for finding out technically weak and strong stocks. Neil realized advanced charting tools will help him to spot opportunities in the market. So Neil is looking for a new trading platform, which will not only alert him about stocks turning weak or strong on key indicators, but also help him in advanced technical analysis. Are you also looking for such advanced technical analysis and charting tools? Don't worry, our next generation trading platform will help you to grab opportunities. Let us explore our technical analysis and charting tools. User can find weak and strong stocks by looking at long-term signals and technical alerts in watch list screen. User has option to move directly to chart screen from watch list. Chart screen provides intelligent tools and indicators to perform advanced technical analysis. Let us explore these charting tools and indicators one by one. User can view charts on various time frames. User can use intelligent drawing tools in our platform. Segment, line, rectangle, ellipse, measure, call out can help user to understand chart, highlight portion and note comments. Moreover, Fibonacci retracement, Gartley, pitchfork, and other studies can be easily drawn with a mouse click. Add series allows user to view volume and delivery series along price chart. User can view 4 types of charts: line, area, candlestick, and OHLC. In studies, user can analyze stocks on key technical indicators. User can draw simple moving averages, Bollinger Bands, moving average envelope, moving average convergence divergence, or MACD, relative strength index, or RSI, Bollinger % P, stochastics, momentum indicator, high-low bands, average directional index or ADX, and volume underlay. User can save list of indicators that he has used in the study as template. Once template is saved, user can apply same study to any stock so he need not waste time in selecting indicators again. User can quickly expand and contract chart by both mouse click and scroll wheel. This screen also provides option to share charts. Most importantly, user can place buy or sell orders directly from chart screen so he can grab trading opportunity without any delay. So don't wait, try our advanced technical analysis and charting tools now. Thank you.
So as you have seen that there's a pretty extensive charting solution available with ProTerminal. I'll quickly go through all the features once more for you guys. So once you open the chart, it opens a tick by tick chart. Since the markets are off, so it's currently not moving tick by tick, but in the market it actually moves tick by tick. Apart from that, you can select multiple tools. You can first select the time range in which you want to see the chart. It can be in minutes, hours, or in days, weeks, or months. Then you can select tool. If you want to have crosshair, you want a segment, you want a ray or a petrocop. Apart from that, you can add series, whether you want volume based or delivery based in the same chart. In that, you can also add the MACD series, RSI series, and studies that you actually do, the traders actually prefer doing. Another very interesting feature is, suppose as a trader, you always prefer RSI and MACD before putting a trade. So for ONGC, suppose I put in a RSI study for 14 days, let's create. And I also do MACD parameters, and I just create. So I as a trader prefer RSI and MACD before putting a trade on any stock. So what I'll do is I'll quickly save this template. I'll name as RSI plus MACD. So this template has been saved. Now suppose I go to a company other than ONGC, go to, let's say, Reliance Capital. So since I as a trader prefer RSI and MACD, so that template has been saved. Now once I click on RSI plus MACD, which is the template I created for seeing the patterns of RSI and MACD on any particular script, I just need to select that. And I'll see the RSI and MACD applied on that same chart. So as a trader, you might have preferences of 5 to 6 studies on a single script. So you don't need to manually do it again and again. You can directly save that template and then quickly apply and make your buy and sell decision right from the chart here itself. As a trader, you might also prefer software like Metastock and Spider for separate, which provide you a separate charting tool, but do not have the facility to place the trade right from there. But with ProTerminal, we wanted to give you a smoother experience. So we gave you a state-of-the-art charting solution, and right there you can put the trade through the charting tool itself. Apart from that, there are basic functionalities like comparing the two scripts. And there are various kind of charts that you can explore: line, area, candlestick, OHLC, etc. And you can, as I showed you, you can save the template, and you can then later on see it in the views. You can expand the chart. And so that pretty much covers the charting. Now Vidit will take you through the future and options.
Yeah. See, now ProTerminal is for all set of investors. The people, those who are looking for a long-term investment, they can consider the financials of the company and the broker consensus, and post that they can take a decision. Whereas for traders, as Abhishek rightly said, charting is an important tool for them. Whereas for the people, those who are new to the market, they require all set of information, news and financial data. Everything is provided on ProTerminal. So all the three set of investors which we are having will be helpful to them by using ProTerminal. They can make an informed decision and they can make money out of the stock markets. Now for derivatives trader, we talked about the equity segment. Now we will talk about the derivatives segment. Say for example, if a trader wants to look at the 15-minute build-up, that is one of the important parameter while taking a position into a derivative segment, because it determines the way the market will function. So first of all, we will take you through the 15-minute build-up video. Post that, we will let you know how to use that particular aspect on the ProTerminal platform.
John, a passionate trader, follows open interest in futures and options to confirm price trend. He used to monitor open interest to identify positive and negative sentiments and thereby predict possible movement in price. But despite following open interest trends closely, he could not spot opportunities in time. As a result, he failed miserably in his trading strategies in futures and options. Are you also struggling with the same problem? Don't worry, our 15 minutes built-up screen will help you to stay ahead of markets. It captures long built-up, short built-up, long unwinding and short covering every 15 minutes to show bullish and bearish trends by analyzing open interest, price and volumes in real time. Let us see how you can profit by using 15 minutes built-up screen. On 3rd June, Bank of India witnessed huge short built-up, indicating bearish sentiments in the stock. Out of the 25 intervals of 15 minutes in a day, Bank of India recorded 16 short built-ups and 5 long built-ups. As a result, stock fell 4.7% on 3rd June. After seeing first 3 zones of short build-ups between 9:15 am to 10 am, a positional trader could have shorted the stock around 86 rupees. Subsequently, Bank of India stock fell continuously except for few intervals witnessing long build-up. By the time of closing, stock fell below 83 rupees. By using 15 minutes built-up screen, one could have made profit by covering short position around 83 rupees, netting a profit of 3 rupees per unit, or 9,000 rupees on one lot of 3,000 units of underlying stock. Similarly, one could also make profit by going long on stocks, which are witnessing strong long built-up. So don't wait, try our next generation trading platform. Thank you.
As you saw in the video, the customer benefited from the short build-up screen. They took a position early in the morning, posting the short build-up for every 15 minutes interval, and accordingly they short that particular counter. After some time they recovered, so they square up the position and they earned the difference. So say for example, if you want to view a short 15-minute build-up, you need to click on the symbol of the company. Under that you have to click on the FNO tab, and you need to maximize the screen 15-minute build-up, the widget which is available on right hand side middle section. So if you maximize the screen, you will get build-up data for every 15 minutes. So it is very important for a derivatives trader or a derivatives investor to look at this parameter before taking an investment decision. Generally this kind of information is not available on any other platform, whereas ProTerminal provides you the complete detail on a single platform. So you know you are not supposed to visit various portals and various sites to analyze the data. You can directly analyze the data from here and you can place an order and you can benefit from the trade. Similarly, you can also formulate your derivative strategy. For formulating the derivative strategy, you are supposed to go to the derivative strategy section you have to input two parameters. First parameter is target date. Say for example, we will take an example over here. We will put a target date as 22nd of this month, whereas we need to put the target price as well. So say for example, we put a target price by 22nd February as 950. These are the 4 risk parameter which you need to select. You can turn it off and turn it on as per your requirement, as per your risk appetite. So first parameter is probability, maximizing chance of max profit. Second parameter is profit, maximize potential profit. The third parameter is return, maximize return. Fourth parameter is safety, minimize potential loss. So depending upon your risk appetite, you can turn off any one of the parameter and you can formulate the strategy. Once you decide the parameter which you want and once you set the target date and target price, you need to click on strategies. System will calculate the strategy and they will be displayed on the screen. And accordingly, you can take the position if you are comfortable with that strategy. So system is generating the strategy. Say for example, the first strategy which has been displayed, total 5 strategies has been displayed by the system. The first strategy is long iron condor. For executing this strategy, you need to buy a put option at 940 strike price, whereas you need to sell one put option at 960 strike price and second at 980 strike price, whereas fourth option you need to buy a call option at a strike price of 1000. It also provides you the risk return profile of this particular strategy. Say for example, the maximum profit can be made from this particular strategy is 37,700 and the maximum loss which you can make from this strategy is 19,850. It also displays the probability of the max loss. It is only 2.05%. So depending upon your risk appetite and depending upon your horizon, you can take a call. Similarly, if you are not comfortable from this particular strategy, you can change the strategy as well. If you go to bull call spread, again it will display the various options which you need to exercise in order to execute this strategy. So it helps the derivatives trader to monitor the market and to build a right strategy and gain from the movement of the stock prices. So it helps you to take an informed decision and benefit from the trade which you execute. Similarly, for option trader, a complete option chain list is been provided here. You can directly execute the orders from here. Strike price, see, this is the call option. On the left hand side, the call option strike price are given, whereas on the right hand side put option call price are given, strike price are given. So accordingly, you can directly click and you can buy and sell the option which you are willing to do at a particular strike price. So this is all we have for ProTerminal. It is a one-stop shop for all your information and execution platform. It is helpful for investors, it is helpful for traders, and it is even helpful for the people, those who are learning the stock market trends. Those who are new to the market, they can benefit from the information provided on the ProTerminal. If you have not registered for ProTerminal, you can subscribe the same by visiting our website www.hdfcsec.com. We are having an offer currently. The normal price for ProTerminal is 2499, whereas the discounted price which we are offering is 1999 plus GST. So you can offer and you can benefit. If you have any query, you can write to us on our customer care email ID, that is customercare@hdfcsec.com. We would be very glad to help you and we would be willing to activate the ProTerminal for your account so that you can be benefited from the trade and you can get extra return by taking an informed decision. Happy investing. Thank you.
Have a great day, guys.